Hello. Today we are going to learn about key signatures and how to figure out the name of the key based on key signatures. And today we are going to focus on sharps. We are going to use what's called the circle of fifths. And you will think of it as a clock face with a C at the 12 o'clock position. The key of C has no sharps and no flats. Now we will go clockwise and go up 5 letters. Starting on C, 5 up is G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from C up to G. The key of G has 1 sharp, and that 1 sharp is an F sharp. Continuing clockwise, we'll go up 5 letters again. This time, we'll start on the G and go 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 away from G in the musical alphabet is D. The key of D has 2 sharps. They are F sharp and C sharp. Have you noticed a pattern yet? We're just adding 1 sharp each time. If you continue clockwise, you'll go up another 5 letters, which, by the way, is why this is called the circle of fifths. When we go clockwise, we're going up in intervals of 5. So starting on D, 5 up is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The key of A has 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Let's continue going clockwise. Starting on A, 5 away is E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the key of E, we have 4 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. Let's continue. Starting on the E, where we left off, 5 away is B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm adding in sharps once they have been introduced in key signatures prior to this. So in the key of B, we have 5 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. You may have also noticed that we always start with F sharp, and then the second sharp is always C sharp, the third is always G sharp, the fourth is D sharp, and the fifth is always A sharp. We have 2 more. Now, starting on B, 5 away is F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The key of F sharp has 6 sharps, and they are F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, and E sharp. And notice they stay in the same order every time. They don't change or move around. Finally, starting on F sharp and going up 5, we end up on C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the key of C sharp, we have 7 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, and B sharp. And because we only have 7 sharps and 7 letters in the musical alphabet, we stop here. And that concludes our lesson on sharps. So, to determine the key, you find the last sharp and you go up 1 letter. So if the last sharp and only sharp is F sharp, 1 letter up is G. If the last sharp is a C sharp, 1 letter up is D. So once a note has been used in a key signature, we must call it by its sharp name, which is why when we get down here to F sharp, we call it F sharp instead of F. And we can't use C again, so this is definitely C sharp. and I hope this helps you understand how to figure out the name of a key by its key signature.